Sounds like hostile fire.
Rifleman, 50 meters, west. Bravo, it's turning back. Get to cover now.
Valeto's down!
I'm taking fire over here. It's getting fucked up here.
Ah! Watch your six. Those vehicles you just bolted by are Oscar Mike towards your position. Just keep coming. Charlie's got your back. Just don't stop to take a piss.
I'm hit. Doc!
This is Charlie team. Contact.
Oh, stick a tampon in it. Get me back in the fight, Doc.
APC, 200 meters, east.
This is Charlie team. They got out range.
This is Boleto. Hurry up so I can get back in the fight. This is Boleto. Corman, up.
We're losing Marines here.
Getting shot at here!
It's raining hell here.
Rifleman, 75 meters, south.
This is Alpha team. We're under fire.
You're good. Bleeding has stopped.
This is Charlie team. Keeping their heads down.
Valeto's down!
APC, 150 meters, northwest.
This is Charlie team. Contact.
Bravo, I swear to God, it's boots and ute runs for you when we get back to the world, because you run like old people fuck. Let's get the hell out of here. Rancher 2, this is Outlaw 2. We're good for pickup. I say again, come on in, brother.
Outlaw 1, this is Rancher 2. We're on our way.
Good copy, Rancher 2. Turn and burn. This situation's about to get Foxtrot uniform. Get me? Outlaw Actual, Outlaw 2-1. We are awaiting extraction, but have a pursuit force bearing down on us most ricky tick. Requesting fire support to cover our exit. Over.
Outlaw 2-1, Outlaw Actual. Standing by to assist. We'll give you everything we've got left at Fob Viper. Call your shot and let them fly.
Bravo, you need to hold this position. PLA infantry and APCs are gonna start rolling in here like Sorensen's mama at an all-you-can-eat buffet. You got limited mortar strike from Fob Viper, so use this vantage point to call them in. Slow those motherfuckers down.
Team, take cover and dig in. 25 meters. Hilo, 300 meters north.
They're laying down some serious lead.
Team, take cover and dig in! 25 meters, east!
Aye, aye.
This is Alpha team. They got our range.
I'm under fire.
Roger that, Bravo. Call out your fire mission.
This is Charlie team.
I want HE scattered artillery, 250 meters, east of my position.
Confirm, Bravo. Rounds inbound. Firing for effect.
It's getting fucked up here.
This is Charlie team. We're getting shot at.
I'm getting shot at. God damn it.
I'm taking fire over here.
They're laying down some serious lead. This is Charlie team. We're getting shot at.
This is Bravo. We need combat support.
Roger that, Bravo. Call out your fire mission.
Give me HE scattered artillery, 250 meters east of my position.
Roger that, Bravo. Support mission firing for effect.
I'm under fire.
This is Alpha Team. It's raining hell over here.
Alpha, you're first. Fall back now.
Shots fired. Reloading.
This is Charlie Team. We're getting shot at.
Reloading.
This is Charlie Team. They're laying down some serious lead.
Hold up, hold up.
Fall back, Charlie.
I'm getting shot up here.
They're shooting at me.
Bravo, we need to fall back.
Hilo, 400 meters east.
This is Alpha Team. Contact.
Hold that position, Bravo.
Team, take cover and dig in.
Aye, aye. This is Charlie Team. We're getting shot at.
Support gunner, 50 meters north.
Dead.
Target killed.
Support gunner, 100 meters east.
They're engaging me. Target killed.
No shooting.
Rifleman, 100 meters east.
Rifleman, 100 meters east.
Team, take cover.
Hold fire. Moving in front.
Reload and listen up. Chinese transport helo just dropped off a gaggle of guys into the AO. And get this, Marines, they ain't no regular PLA. They look like SF troopers. We're gonna have to work tight, work hard, and use teamwork to get the fuck out of this one. Understood?
Solid copy, Staff Sergeant.
Bravo, we need to fall back. Weapons up, Alpha and Charlie, defend that position.
Shit. Alpha fucking standing. Chinese Special Forces. Those big SEALs look like pussies.
We don't need to be all up in their grills to be effective. Rule number 8. Suppress those sons of bitches. Push them back and pick them off from range. If you remember your PMI training.
Rifleman, 75 meters west. I've been tagged!
This is
Charlie Team. We're under fire.
I'm getting shot up here. Target dead.
A little help over here, killers.
This is Charlie Team. We're being assaulted.
Shots fired.
This is Alpha Team. They got our range.
Support gunner, 150 meters south. Rifleman, 150 meters south.
I'm getting shot at. God damn it. I've been tagged.
This is Charlie Team. They're laying down some serious lead. This is Alpha Team.
Support gunner, 100 meters south. I'm hit.
We're under fire.
I'm getting shot up here.
This is Alpha Team. We're taking heavy fire.
Target killed.
They're assaulting us. Suppressing enemy position.
Sniper, 75 meters south.
This is Charlie Team. We're under fire.
Reloading.
This is
Rifleman, 50 meters northeast. Dead.
Hold fire, coming through.
This is Charlie Team. They're assaulting us.
Reloading.
Kilo, 250 meters north.
This is Alpha Team. Suppressing enemy position. This is Alpha Team. They're assaulting us. This is Alpha Team. Contact.
Bleeding stopped. Bleeding stopped.
I hear gunfire.
Outlaw 1, Ranger 2 will provide fields of suppressing fire so your men can move to extract.
That's it, ladies. We're done. Time to get to the extraction point where rule number 2 still applies. Keep the cover and avoid open spaces. We ain't home yet, and unless you want to wind up dead, do what I tell you. Alpha, Bravo, I want you to provide cover for Charlie as they fall back. They did you a solid out there. Time to return the favor. Arch!
Support gunner, 75 meters north.
I'm hit. Doc!
Ah!
This is Taylor. I need you over here, Doc.
This is Charlie. We're in position.
Charlie, covering fire. Alpha, Bravo, move back. Outlaw Actual, Outlaw 2-1. We're requesting danger close fire support on our current position to cover egress. Repeat, drop it right on us and we'll bug out.
Outlaw 2-1, Outlaw Actual. Approved. You've got 30 seconds to vacate. Suggest you move your ass, over.
Roger that, Actual. We're on our way. Listen up, Marines. We're moving the fuck out. This place is about to become Dante's Inferno, and unless you want to get your balls blasted, get to the vehicles now.
Holy danger close, Batman. Hope those mortar guys didn't sleep through MOS school.
This is Charlie Team. Contact.
Reloading!
This is Alpha Team. We're under fire.
Team, jump in.
Team, saddle up!
Let's roll.
Let's roll. Ready!
I'm hit! Duck!
Fuck yeah, look at that shit.
Ha! I'd call that good effect on target.
Give him hell, Viper.
I cannot believe we just did that shit. I can't. I mean, dude, I think I shit myself like, I don't know how many times.
Trust me, we know. We can smell your funk from here. No bullshit, Marines. That was some seriously motivating shit you just threw down out there. You should be proud. I know I am.
But all that action for a single supply convoy? I mean, seriously, how the hell is it gonna even make a dent in the PLA?
Every bullet, weapon, rocket, grenade, mortar, entrenching tool, flak, Kevlar, everything we just destroyed will not be used against a Marine. That's what fucking matters. And we're gonna fuck up their shit tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day. Sooner or later, they ain't gonna have nothing left. Follow Knox's 10 rules of law, and you'll see. This shit is all gonna work out.
Hey, I got a weird question.
Yeah?
Anyone actually know what rule number 3 is?
Sure, hey, Staff Sergeant.
Get rule number 3 when I'm goddamn good and ready to give it to you. Until then, just do what I say when I say it and shut up.
Aye, aye, Staff Sergeant.
Outlaw 2-1, this is Outlaw Actual. We're not out of this fight yet. Base Commander wants all of Outlaw on fire watch tonight. We need to keep the N-107s and the Stingers manned in case the PLA tries something. The base is nearly dry. You guys got out just in time. Good to have you back. Outlaw Actual out.
Anyone got any more Tabasco? I'll need it to stay awake.
Sorry, put the last drop in my eyes last night.
No rest for the wicked, Marines. We are very, very wicked.